This is Module 2 in the Educational Psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox. It is titled, Why Teachers Need to Understand the Process of Child Development. Have you ever wondered why some students thrive while others struggle in the same classroom setting? According to themindsjournal.com, every child grows and learns differently, shaped by their background, brain development, and experiences. As an educator, understanding how children develop emotionally, socially, physically, and cognitively can make a powerful difference in how you teach and connect with your students. It's not just about knowing what to teach but understanding how a child learns best at every stage. In an article titled, Why Developmental Knowledge Matters by the Teachers. Institute, child development is the study of how children grow physically, think, communicate, and form relationships from birth through adolescence. This knowledge directly shapes how parents respond to their children and how teachers design their classrooms. When teachers have a strong understanding of a child's cognitive and emotional development, they can better support parents and play a vital role in helping children grow into their most successful selves. Without this knowledge, both parents and educators are likely to compare children against one another rather than against their own developmental trajectory. A teacher who does not understand developmental stages may interpret a slow reader as a problem student, when in fact that child is simply developing at a different pace. Educators who fail to align their lessons and teaching approach to the correct developmental stage will find that they are not reaching the children in their classrooms. And this can undermine both the teacher's effectiveness and the child's progress. A sound understanding of developmental milestones supports educators in effectively assessing children's play and learning, and should underpin intentional teaching, planning, and evaluation. It is not about labeling children or ranking them. It is about knowing enough to meet each child where they are and guide them forward. When teachers have a strong understanding of a child's cognitive and emotional development, they can better support parents and play a vital role in helping children grow into their happiest and most successful selves.